In the name of God, hello. In this video, I want to explain some kind of layouts in factories. The first type and the first kind is fixed position layout, which means that the product is fixed and workers and other resources move to build it, and then they come back. The second type of layout is process layout, which is divided by processes. For example, as you see in this picture, we have a room for drilling, we have a room for cutting, we have a room for painting or something like this, and the product moves between these parts. The third type is product layout, which means that we have to understand that what machines is we have to use for making, for example, one of our products, and which order is suitable for it, and we put them in a line to make just, for example, one of our products. And for other products, we have to do the same thing as you see in the picture. About the fourth type, we have group technology, which means that we have to first divide products to some families and then create cells for each. We create a cell for each family, and a product just is made in one cell, and it doesn't need to move to another cell to be complete. As we have in these pictures, for example, at the right picture, we can see that we have for family, and each family has its own process and machines and orders, and then we can make all of our products in our factory. Thank you for watching my video.